नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण बी.कॉम सेकंड इयर सेमिस्टर थर्ड आणि एम.कॉम या दोन्ही वर्गांच्या दृष्टीनं महत्त्वाचे असणारे MCQ पाहणार आहोत आणि सब्जेक्ट आहे बिझनेस मॅथमॅटिक्स अँड स्टॅटिस्टिक्स BMS. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अरेंजिंग डाटा इन डिफरंट ग्रुप्स अकॉर्डिंग टू सिमिलॅरिटीज. A. Presentation. B. Classification. C. Tabulation. D. Analysis. The right answer is B. Classification. The right answer काय आहे? Classification. नंतर second question. Two number are in the ratio 5:7. If the sum of the number is 192, then the greater number is option A 112, B 102, C 116 and D 108. The right answer is A 112. The next question, question number third. Statistics mean A. To indicate various facts, graphs and charts. B. It's employ symbols, methods and result of body of knowledge in its own right. C. Used to calculate single number from data, and D. all of these. The right answer is A. To indicate various facts, graphs and charts. Then 4 number question. The HCF of 17 and 19 will be one of the following. The HCF of 17 and 19 will be one of the following. Option A first, B 17, C 19, D 323. The right answer is A. Right answer is A 1. Then 5 number. The LCM of 17 and 19 will be one of the following. Option A 1, B 17, C 323 and D 19. The right answer is C 323. Then another 6 number question. Statistics are expressed in A. numerical only, B. qualitatively only, C. theoretical only and D. none of these. The right answer is A. numerical only. Then 7 number. The value of logarithm of 1 to the base 10 is. The value of logarithm of 1 to the base 10 is option A 2, B 10, C 0, D 1. The right answer is C 0. राईट आन्सर काय 0 म्हणजेच C. ऑप्शन C. त्यानंतर 8 नंबर. The produce of three terms in a GP is 125. The middle term is A 3, B 4, C 5 and D 6. The right answer is C 5. The right answer is C 5. Then 9 number. The definition of statistics includes A collection A collection of data, B presentation of data, C analysis and interpretation of numerical data, then D last none of these. The right answer is C analysis and interpretation of numerical data, C. Then 10 number. Find upper quartile of 20, 60, 27, 80, 25, 30, 35. Option A 25, B 18, C 20, D 30. The right answer is obviously D number 30. Then 11 number. Second quartile is same as option A mean, B median, C mode, D quartile. The right answer is B median. Then 12 number. Find mode series X मध्ये in X series 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and F series 2, 3, 8, 5, 2. Option A 20, B 30, C 40, D 50. The right answer is B 30. B 30. Then 13 number question. The HCF of 2 and 60 will be one of the following. Option A 32, B 1, C 2 and D none of these. The right answer is C 2. The right answer is C 2. Then 14 number. The HCF of 273 and 231 will be one of the following. A 17, B 18, C 19 and D 21. The right answer is D 21. The next question, 15 number. The result of statistic is to be used for A past history, B current history, C predetermination and D none of these. The right answer is C predetermination. Sixty number. Statistics is not used for option A single data, B whole data, C sample data and D none of these. The right answer is A single data. Then next 70 number. To compare the variability of the data, study of in bracket is required. A measure of central tendency, B dep depression, C. correlation, and D. regression. The right answer is B. dispersion. 80 number. The mean price of 25 book rupees 250. Of them, price of 15 books is rupees 230. What is the mean price of remaining books? Again read. The mean price of 25 books rupees 250. Of them, price of 15 books is rupees 230. What is the mean price? What is mean price of remaining books? Option A 280, B 250, C 240, D 300. The right answer is A 280. 90 number. The HCF of 740 and 483 will be one of the following: A 21, B 18, C 19, D 21. The right answer is A 21. Then last 20 number. The LCM of 286 and 234 is one of the following. Option A 2574, B 2774, C 2874, and D 2974. The right answer is A 2574. A number.